Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Bitcoin miner app on your mobile device. It's super easy. I'm going to show you how to do it on your iOS and your Android, guys. As you guys can see, I have it on both mobile devices by just using these simple method and these simple steps. Go grab your mobile devices and I'm going to teach you how to do it step by step together. It's super easy, guys, and it literally probably took me less than 2 minutes to do so. And so you guys can actually enjoy this for yourselves. And guys, it continues to mine for me and it's super easy and it's super convenient. To learn how, go grab your mobile device and let's do this step by step together. Once you have your Apple iOS device, go ahead and open up settings. Once you click on settings, click on general. Once you click on general, click on background app refresh and just make sure that your background app refresh is turned on either on Wi-Fi or it could be on Wi-Fi and cellular data. Once that's done, you can go ahead and hit back, go back again, and go back into your settings. And now you're gonna look for battery. Once you click on battery, you guys will notice the very top, it says low power mode. You're gonna make sure that the low power mode at the very top is turned off. Once that's done, go back into your settings, and now you're gonna click on App Store. And now you're going to make sure that your automatic downloads is turned on. So this little button is showing green. Once these 3 steps are done, you guys are golden and ready to go. You're going to go ahead and open up your web browser. I'm going to go ahead and open up Safari and go to this website right here. I'm going to type in approcky.com. I'll actually bring it closer to the screen so you guys can take a look at it. It's called approcky.com. Write it down, guys. Memorize it. Screenshot it. This website is so cool. It has a full list of different mods you guys can definitely check out. And there's a whole list. And guys, this has honestly changed my day-to-day life for the better and made it so much easier with all these cool mods. But for today, I'm going to teach you guys how to do the Bitcoin miner. So at the very top, to make it easier, where it says search for apps, you're going to type in BTC miner app. Super easy. It just shows up so you don't have to go through the full list and try looking for it. Once you see it, you're going to click that green button with the cloud. As soon as you press the green button, guys, it'll start working its magic and getting you that free access and getting you the app on your mobile device. As you guys can see, each of the mods do have 2 different icons, an Android and an Apple icon. That just means that this mod is compatible with an Android device and iOS Apple devices. So both users will be able to enjoy all the mods on this website, which is super cool. So don't forget, guys, approcky.com. Alright guys, so sometimes what happens is that some of these files do go missing just because of the high traffic, and you will have to do it manually, which is super easy. As you guys can see, there's instructions on how to do it step by step. I just won't do it right now just because I do want to get to the Android part and show you guys how to do it for step by step on using an Android, and I don't want this video to be too long. So you can actually watch the YouTube video tutorial by clicking watch this tutorial to learn how to do it. But again, guys, it is pretty self-explanatory. I did it myself for the first time and it literally took me less than 2 minutes to do so. Super easy, and the instructions are right there, guys. All right, now that we got that done, now we're gonna go ahead and grab our Android and show you guys how to do it on your Android. Super easy. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it step by step. Go grab your Android device, and first thing you're gonna do is open up settings. Once you click on settings, you're gonna click on battery. Now at the very top where it says power saving mode, you're gonna make sure your power saving mode is turned off. Once your power saving mode is turned off, and you guys know it's 100% turned off, you can go ahead and get started and open up your web browser. I'm going to go ahead and open up Chrome. I'm going to go to this website right here. It's called approcky.com. I'll bring it closer to the screen so everyone can take a look at it, write it down, memorize it, screenshot it, guys. At this point, it's honestly, this website is so cool. I really don't want you guys to miss out on anything. I wasn't going to gatekeep. I wanted to share this. It's honestly super easy, and all of these are pretty much free, so it's super cool. So what I'm going to show you how to do is do the Bitcoin miner to make things easier rather than going through the whole list and looking for one app. At the very top where it says search for apps, you're going to type in BTC miner. It's super easy, and you can go ahead and click on the green button as soon as it shows up. and with the cloud, and it starts working its magic. Super easy. You guys can actually definitely browse through the website as well to look for more. And you can even type in any words and keywords to search if the app has those cool mods. All right, and each of these mods do have two icons, an Android and an Apple. That just means that it's compatible with both, and it's super easy. As you guys can see, it's working its magic and getting that free access. Sometimes, guys, the files do go missing. This is due to high traffic. It can't download all the files needed, so you will have to do it manually. I'm not going to do it now since the video is already long enough, but you can watch the YouTube tutorial video by clicking on watch this tutorial. It's super easy and it's very self-explanatory. As you guys can see, there's instructions at the very top on how to do it step by step. First time I did it, guys, I did it myself, and it literally probably took me less than 2 minutes to do so. And that's how I got my BTC Miner app on my mobile devices. Super easy. And guys, it literally takes less than 2 minutes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment down below how you guys are enjoying this mod, and make sure to share. Thank you for watching, and have a great day, guys. Bye.